Deep in the jungles of Africa and Asia, there's a buzz. Not the buzz of bees, but the scurrying, bustling activity of weaver ants. These industrious insects are constantly on the move, creating a symphony of motion that is both mesmerizing and awe-inspiring. Their presence is a testament to the incredible diversity and complexity of life in these lush, vibrant ecosystems. These tiny creatures are architects, warriors, and farmers all rolled into one. They construct elaborate nests by weaving together leaves using silk produced by their larvae. This silk is incredibly strong and flexible, allowing the ants to create structures that can withstand the harsh conditions of the jungle. Their nests are not just homes but fortresses that protect them from predators and the elements. They might be small, but they've got big ideas, and even bigger teamwork skills. Weaver ants are known for their remarkable ability to work together in perfect harmony. Each ant has a specific role to play, and they communicate with each other using a complex system of chemical signals. This allows them to coordinate their efforts and achieve tasks that would be impossible for an individual ant to accomplish alone. Think of them like the ultimate construction crew, working together to build incredible structures. They can form living bridges by linking their bodies together, allowing them to cross gaps and transport materials with ease. This level of cooperation and ingenuity is truly remarkable and highlights the incredible capabilities of these tiny insects. But instead of bricks and mortar, they use leaves and silk. The process of nest building is a true marvel of nature. The ants carefully select leaves and use their powerful mandibles to cut and shape them. They then use the silk produced by their larvae to stitch the leaves together, creating a secure and stable structure. This process requires precision and coordination, and the end result is a testament to the ants' incredible engineering skills. Oh, and did I mention the silk comes from their larvae? Yeah, it's pretty wild. The larvae produce the silk which the adult ants then use to construct their nests. This unique adaptation allows the ants to create strong and flexible structures that can withstand the challenges of their environment. It's a perfect example of how nature has evolved to solve complex problems in ingenious ways. These ants are a force of nature, showing us that even the smallest creatures can achieve incredible things when they work together. Their ability to cooperate and work towards a common goal is a powerful reminder of the importance of teamwork and collaboration. In the world of weaver ants, every individual plays a crucial role, and their collective efforts result in something truly extraordinary. So, buckle up, because we're about to dive into the fascinating world of weaver ants. Get ready to explore their intricate nests, witness their incredible teamwork, and learn about the many ways these tiny insects have adapted to thrive in their challenging environments. It's a journey into the heart of the jungle, where the smallest creatures can teach us some of the biggest lessons about life, cooperation, and resilience. Imagine building a house without hands. That's what weaver ants do every day. Their building material of choice? Leaves. But these aren't your average flimsy leaves. We're talking sturdy tropical leaves that can withstand the elements. First, the ants scout out the perfect spot, usually high up in a tree. Then, the real work begins. Using their powerful jaws, they pull the edges of leaves together. But here's the kicker, they need something to bind those leaves together, like some kind of natural glue, and that's where things get really interesting. Remember those larvae we talked about? Well, they're not just there to grow up and become ants. They're also the key to the weaver ant's construction success. You see, weaver ant larvae produce silk. And not just any silk, but a super strong, sticky silk that's perfect for binding leaves together. To get the silk, worker ants carefully pick up the larvae and gently squeeze them. The larvae release strands of silk, and the workers use them to stitch the leaves together. It's like a well-choreographed dance with each ant playing its part to perfection. Don't let their small size fool you. Weaver ants are fierce predators. They're like the ninjas of the insect world, taking down prey much larger than themselves. Their weapon of choice? Their powerful jaws, which they use to deliver a painful bite. But these ants aren't just about brute force. They're also masters of strategy. Working together, they can overwhelm even the toughest opponents. They'll swarm their prey, biting and stinging until it's immobilized. It's a sight to behold, and a reminder that teamwork can conquer all. Section 5. The good, the bad, and the antwee ecological impact. Weaver ants are a bit like the double-edged sword of the ecosystem. These industrious insects play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of nature. They are known for their incredible teamwork and ability to construct elaborate nests by weaving leaves together, hence their name. But their impact goes far beyond just nest building. On the one hand, they're great for pest control. Weaver ants are natural predators of many harmful insects. They hunt and consume pests that would otherwise wreak havoc on crops and plants. This makes them invaluable allies for farmers and gardeners who are looking for organic ways to protect their plants. Farmers love them because they gobble up insects that damage crops. Imagine having a tiny army of pest controllers working around the clock to keep your plants safe. This is exactly what weaver ants offer. They reduce the need for chemical pesticides, which can be harmful to the environment and human health. Think of them as tiny, all-natural pesticides. Their presence in agricultural fields can significantly reduce the population of harmful insects, leading to healthier crops and better yields. This is particularly important in regions where access to chemical pesticides is limited, or where organic farming practices are preferred. But on the other hand, they can also be a bit of a nuisance. Weaver ants are highly territorial and can be aggressive towards anything they perceive as a threat. This includes not only pests, but also humans and other animals. Their bites can be painful, and their aggressive behavior can make them unwelcome guests in some areas. They're known to protect aphids, those tiny sap-sucking insects that can damage plants. This might seem counterintuitive, but there's a reason for this behavior. Weaver ants have a symbiotic relationship with aphids, which means they both benefit from each other's presence. Why? Because aphids produce a sugary liquid called honeydew, which the ants love to eat. In exchange for this sweet treat, the ants protect the aphids from predators. This relationship can be problematic for farmers because while the ants are protecting the aphids are damaging the plants by sucking out their sap. It's a classic case of the enemy of my enemy is my friend. The ants benefit from the honeydew, and the aphids benefit from the protection. However, this can create a dilemma for farmers who want to encourage the presence of weaver ants for pest control, but don't want the damage caused by aphids. Balancing this relationship is key to maximizing the benefits of weaver ants while minimizing their drawbacks. Section 6. Fun fact time. Get ready to be amazed and maybe grossed out. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of weaver ants. These tiny creatures are not only incredible architects but also masters of teamwork and survival. Ready for some mind-blowing ant facts? Let's start with their impressive nest-building skills. Here we go. Weaver ants can build nests that are over a meter long. These nests are made by weaving together leaves using silk produced by their larvae. Imagine constructing a home using your own children's silk. That's like a human building a house the size of a football field. Just think about the scale and precision required for such a feat. It's truly mind-boggling. They can also form living bridges with their bodies, allowing them to cross gaps and reach new areas. Talk about teamwork. These living bridges can be several ants wide and long, enabling the colony to move efficiently and safely. In some parts of the world, weaver ant larvae are considered a delicacy. These larvae are rich in protein and are often harvested and eaten by local communities. Yes, you read that right. People eat them. They are often fried or roasted and are said to have a nutty flavor. Would you be brave enough to try them? So there you have it, a glimpse into the weird and wonderful world of weaver ants. These tiny creatures show us that even the smallest beings can achieve incredible things through cooperation and ingenuity. Next time you see an ant, take a moment to appreciate the complex and fascinating life it leads. Weaver ants are also known for their strength. They can carry objects 50 times their own body weight. Imagine lifting a car with your bare hands. This strength is crucial for their survival, as it allows them to transport food and materials back to their nests. And let's not forget their fierce defense mechanisms. Weaver ants are highly territorial and will aggressively defend their nests from intruders. They use their powerful jaws and a potent chemical spray to ward off threats. The queen ant plays a crucial role in the colony, laying thousands of eggs that ensure the survival and growth of the colony. The worker ants tend to her needs, ensuring she is well fed and protected. Watching weaver ants in action is like witnessing a well-oiled machine. Each ant knows its role and works tirelessly to contribute to the colony's success. It's a testament to the power of collaboration and hard work. So next time you're out in nature, take a moment to look closer at the tiny world beneath your feet. You might just discover something amazing. Weaver ants remind us that even the smallest creatures can teach us valuable lessons about teamwork, resilience, and innovation. Section 7. Teamwork makes the dream work lessons from the ant world. Weaver ants might be small, but they teach us some big lessons about the power of teamwork. They show us that even the smallest creatures can achieve great things when they work together. Communication is key to success. Everyone has a role to play and every role is important. By working together we can overcome any obstacle. So next time you're facing a challenge, remember the weaver ants. Channel their teamwork, their determination, and their unwavering belief in the power of collaboration. Section 8. More fun facts, because who doesn't love ants? Okay, I know we already had a fun fact section, but I couldn't resist sharing a few more. Did you know that weaver ants can lift objects up to 100 times their own weight? That's like a human lifting a small car. They also have an incredible sense of smell, which they use to communicate with each other and find food. And get this, some species of weaver ants are even used in traditional medicine. See? Ants are amazing. Section 9. So next time you see an ant, don't just step on it. Take a moment to appreciate these incredible creatures and all that they do. They might be small, but they're a vital part of our ecosystem. And who knows, you might even learn a thing or two about teamwork from them.